1 year
videos.
free. If you want to make AI videos like this, then follow this step and viral your videos. Open Chrome browser. Type Google Gemini Student Offer. Click on Get Offer and verify eligibility. Fill all the identity details. Fill necessary all details like full name, college name, date of birth, email ID. After that, hit the Verify Details button and wait. Great. After verification, just upload your identity card as a document and click Submit button. Make sure your entered details must be matched with an identity card, unless it shows error. Don't worry, just do payment via any platform. Scan and do payment by GPay. After successful payment, go to GPay and turn off autopay. Congratulations, free for 1 year. Now let's create AI videos. Open ChatGPT, type and generate prompt. I took an example like, a monkey walking on road and people are noticing that monkey is wearing spectacles t-shirts. Likewise, you can create your own by using ChatGPT for prompt. Now copy the entire prompt from ChatGPT. Type Google Gemini and select first link. Now paste the link in Gemini and select Videos from Tools option. It will take 1 minute for video generation. Final result. You can create daily 0.3 videos of 8 seconds. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, clicks, UIT. For more.